Chung Jae, you're famous for your charcoal Korean barbecue,
Yeah.
but you're also famous for your delicious wontons. So this is kind of like a modern twist on a wonton. It's not an authentic Korean style wonton, is it?
It was used to making Korean dumpling, and then I'm making twist a little bit more,
Yeah.
and more time goes, it's more palette changing it slowly and slowly.
All right, so let's get started. What have you got in here?
I got the snapper fillet and then the squid. I got the lobster tail. Is this one has to be all trimmed up,
Okay.
as you can see. Okay, so you need the scissors. Has to be good scissors to start with. You can see all the nice, beautiful.
Beautiful colour, isn't it?
Yep. I'm saving the skin for the garnish.
Yeah, right.
So I cut it sideways.
What's the key to making a good wonton so it's not dry or grainy, the mixture inside? And when
Filling
you-
has to be moisture.
It's moist, isn't it? Because
Yeah.
sometimes you get dumplings, or wontons, I should say, that are a little dry or too grainy. It hasn't been mixed right. So I guess the type of fish is important in a dumpling or a wonton.
It is. So what you're putting in, you have to be really understand about the method to put it inside. Because if you're too wet,
Yeah.
the skin gonna be wet.
Yeah.
You're not gonna be stick together.
Good, yeah.
Like all wobbly.
Yeah.
And if you're too dry, it's gonna be like a crispy
Yeah.
bread. So
Nice one.
yeah, this is a garnish. I can do the later, but you cut it individually. So I'll show you. When you finish.
Okay.
Okay, now this one by hand. So bit by bit, chopping.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
almost like we'll have little pieces of sweet lobster meat throughout the whole wonton.
Because when they're cooking it, this one,
Yeah.
they're getting smaller.
Yeah.
So-
Shrink a bit.
Yeah. I think this is enough. Then you can taste the richness of the lobster.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna put it in this one and basil. A little bit of basil.
From the markets this morning.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You can smell it.
This is not used in Korean cooking too much, is it?
We don't grow this one in
Yeah.
Korea. This is only in the really hot weather area,
yeah.
Thailand and all other down South Asia.
Yeah.
Okay, you can put some little bit of pepper.
It's a lot of pepper.
Okay, tofu.
Nice. What
Don't-
type of tofu we got?
It's a hard tofu.
Hard tofu.
Yeah. Now we're gonna blend it.
Okay. All right, that looks good. You added an egg to that to bind it?
Yeah, when you're actually mixing it,
Yeah.
you have to see. You can see actually the dryness. So you actually put some eggs. Yeah. If it depends on how many eggs, you can judging it yourself.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
So you have to be blending at least about 2-3 minutes. Otherwise, it's gonna be really chunk bit.
Right.
So you can taste a little bit of different chewy. So you have to be blended properly. All right. After that, we mix it with the lobster.
Yep, I'll put that in there.
Yep. Very good.
Nice.
Okay, this last minute, I need the lemon inside. Can you cut it and then
Sure
squeeze
can.
it?
Yes, chef.
Oh, knife is not sharp.
Oh, not a sharp knife. No.
It's hammer.
Hammer. Say when.
That's it. Thank you.
All right, chef, what's next?
A little bit of chive in there. Just a little bit. Okay. About this much.
Nice.
All right, this is the last.
Stirring.
Yep. Stirring. Okay. Now we're gonna clean up all the table.
Yep. Start making the dumplings.
Yep.
All right, so we've got our beautiful mixture, nice and firm, and wonton wrappers.
Yeah, you can buy anywhere. First of all, you need a 2-piece of the wonton skin,
Yep.
but also you need a little bit of flowers.
Just plain flour.
Yeah. And then 1 scoop. All depends on how greedy you are.
I'm greedy.
Okay.
But then it's going to fall out of the...
Or
it's
It
okay.
all depends on your technique.
Okay. That's
This-
a lot of mixture in there. Huh?
Yeah.
You get their money's worth.
Yep.
Yep. Nice brush.
Yeah. From home, from paintbrush. Okay.
Ah,
you put it
two.
there.
Yep.
There. Okay. Just squeeze it. Stick together.
Yep.
And then 1 in the corner.
Ah, right.
2,
Yep.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful.
Beautiful. It really, by giving it some pressure,
Yep.
you're really laminating it so it's stuck so well.
That's right.
Nothing's going to come out of that.
Hopefully it can come out like that.
All right, pressure's on. I better start making a few of these. I'm going to say my first one is not going to be as good as yours.
It's okay.
But
It's
my
okay.
fifth one might be. Maybe.
All right, you try.
All right,
Show
let's
me.
do it. So 2 wonton wrappers.
If you're not pass, you're gonna clean the dishes.
Oh, I don't want to clean the dishes. Not my favourite thing to do.
Oh.
So a little in the middle.
Yeah, start with a small bit. All right.
Okay. And then brush it. It's a nice paintbrush. Oh, love it.
Don't take it.
I will be. And then, is that not centered enough?
Yep, that's right. It has to be in the middle bit.
Over.
Yep,
Squish it like a ravioli.
yep. So you have to be lift a little bit. Yep. And then squeeze it there. Yep,
Take all the air bubbles out.
yep. We're normally making about 100 pieces in 1 hour.
So would you classify this as, is this your way of saying I'm very slow?
Kind of.
So
How many times you have to
You
push?
said 7.
8.
8. 1,
Yep,
push.
yep,
2,
yep,
3,
yep,
4,
yep,
5,
yep,
6,
yep.
7.
But you squeezing the
Too much?
lobster.
No.
Not bad. Not bad.
It's not as good as that one. We're getting there.
Yeah, getting there.
Oh,
Not bad.
not bad. All right,
Yeah.
let's make a few more and then I can eventually get mine to look like that. Hopefully.
Okay, it's a butter.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in.
And onions,
Yep.
just roughly chopped.
Yep. Roughly. You don't need to be fine because you're gonna blending in the end anyway. So.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, nice. So you give that, what, 3 or 4 minutes until it's super soft?
Yep.
Not a high heat.
That's
So we
right.
get almost the natural sweetness out of the onions?
Yes.
Cool. So that's soft, a little bit of caramelization, not too much.
Not too much. Just right now. Can I add? This is already I've been cooking and garlic
Yep.
and milk and cream.
And you reduced it till it's like thick and
That's right.
Yummy.
So I'm gonna add in there. And then you have to put one more last touching of Asian.
touch of Asian.
Yep. Basil. Okay. A lot of people do it this way, one by one. Then I'll say, go home.
That's what I usually do.
Yeah, I do this way.
Yeah. Just get it done.
Yeah. Otherwise, I don't have time.
I like this. This is smart cooking. I hate using that word fusion, but it is sort of that. You're able to balance the flavours. So adding some cream there that usually wouldn't go nicely with basil like this, but I smell it. I can tell it's going to be delicious.
You can make this as a pasta sauce too.
Yeah. Oh my
Yep.
God. Fantastic. Yep.
Okay, and then
Yep.
pepper and salt. I don't even know it's plate,
What's
so
this plate? Yeah.
just take it out from the paper. So, okay,
Good
pepper
one. Yep.
and salt
Yep.
and sugar, please.
Sugar. Yep.
Yep.
Pinch.
Yep. Just
No
yeah, a
more?
little bit more. That's it. Okay, this is done.
Yum.
And then now we're gonna blending it.
Okay. So that element's ready. Now for the dumplings.
Okay, not dumpling, wonton.
Oh, wonton. I keep calling them dumplings. I get in
So I
trouble.
put some oil in there,
Yeah.
really gently. Put one more in,
Yep.
please. Yep. Just a little bit of coating outside.
Okay. And we just took away all that excess flour. Not too much flour.
No, not too much. And then has to be careful from there because I got two out of the frame. It's
Yep.
best way for the home. Just one water there.
Oops. Yeah.
Put the lid on. Cook inside.
So we're going to get 2 textures. We're going to get crispy
Yep.
and then steamed.
That's right. Let's sneak in this one. Put it
Ah.
inside. More flavor. Yeah.
It's a good idea. Perfume.
That's right.
All of the steam in there, which will go into the
Yep.
wonton.
Yep.
Nice. So how long is that going to steam for?
About 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yep.
Nice.
Okay,
right.
I think it's ready. Put sauce you made before.
Yep.
Put it in there.
Yes.
And a little bit too thick. And should be nicely finished. Okay, I'm gonna touch a little bit for skin
Ooh, okay.
to make a really nice flavor for all the juice inside.
Nice.
Okay, I think it's done.
That looks beautiful.
Okay, I'm gonna dishing up now.
Okay. So a few spoonfuls of that thick sauce.
Yeah.
Yum.
And then you put some small size wonton.
That was your one, the small one.
Okay. And then the skin on top. So this is done.
Beautiful. That looks just sensational. Thick and rich. And I am a big lover of cream and lobster together. So this is going to be so nice.
Justin, can you just try and tell me?
Or if I have to, I will. All right, I'm going to cut into that. Oh, look at that. That is the most beautiful wonton I have ever tried. It is
you.
so nice. Little Miss Korea wontons. They're very special. So soft inside it. And then you get a pop of sweetness from the lobster and that delicious cream sauce. I'm in heaven.